Hello, my name is Alex Merced from Greco Financial Training Institute, and you can check us out online at greco.com. What I want to talk about today is what is common stock. So imagine that a company that has some great idea wants to raise millions of dollars in order to make that idea happen. One way that it does this, it sells shares of ownership in the company. These are known as common stock, which investors will pay for. So if Bob wanted to buy a piece of ownership in the company, they'd buy one of these shares when they're initially issued in the primary market at the public offering price, also known as the POP. If the company begins to have a profit and it continues to grow those profits, that stock will be able to be sold at a higher and higher price. When you buy stock in a company for the purposes of buying it at a low price and selling it at a higher price as the company's profits grow, this is known as growth. Another way to make money from common stock is by receiving dividends. Larger, more well-established companies may have consistent profits where they can afford to make cash payments to their investors every year. Whether it's growth, buying low and selling the stock at a higher market price, or by generating income by buying stocks that pay consistent dividends, investors can make money by buying common stock. As a common shareholder, you have the right to receive the dividend if declared. As a common shareholder, you have the right to inspect the books, meaning see reports from this public company, such as the 10K annual report and the 10Q quarterly report. You have the right to maintain your percentage equity in the company. So when the company decides they want to issue more shares to prevent diluting your percentage ownership, current investors will receive rights which they can use to buy new shares and maintain their percentage ownership. As a common shareholder, you also have the right to vote on certain important matters, such as stock splits, issuing convertible securities, mergers and acquisitions, who sits on the board of directors, but you don't have the right to vote on dividends. Shareholders never vote on dividends. I hope you enjoyed this introduction to common stock, but there is much more to learn, and you can learn more by joining us at our regular scheduled classes at greco.com. Thank you for listening to this video from Greco Financial Training Institute, where Wall Street learns the business.